In a significant development, a prominent Israeli-Palestinian Arab actor, Maisa Abd El-Hadi, now finds herself in custody on allegations of incitement to terrorism due to a social media post discussing Hamas's October 7 attack on Israel. This arrest, made in northern Israel, has raised considerable attention. Maisa is now among a growing number of Arab Israelis who have been detained for discussing the ongoing conflict on social media. Her alleged offensive involves sharing an image depicting a bulldozer breaching the fence between the Gaza Strip and Israel during October 7 attack by the militant group Hamas. It's important to note that there are conflicting reports regarding the casualty figures from the attack, with Israel claiming over 1,400 lives while the Hamas government in Gaza contends more than 5,000 people were killed in Israel's retaliatory strikes on the coastal territory. "Let's go Berlin style," she wrote in a caption in reference to the fall of the Berlin Wall that partitioned Germany until 1989. She's accused of supporting terrorism because of this. Palestinian singer Dalal Abu Amne was recently detained for one of her social media posts. Reports from both the human rights campaigners and Israeli police indicate that members of Israel's Arab minority and Palestinians in East Jerusalem have faced consequences such as job termination, college expulsions, and arrest for expressing solidarity with Gaza residents during the conflict between Israel and Hamas. It's important to note that Israeli Arabs make up about 1/5 of Israel's population. In India, TV actress Madhura Nayak, known for her roles in television shows, has experienced a devastating tragedy in the context of the Israel-Palestine conflict. In a recent Instagram post, Madhura revealed that her brother-in-law and cousin fell victim to a brutal attack by terrorists, resulting in their tragic loss. This situation underscores the complex and sensitive nature of the conflict, impacting not only those directly involved but also resonating with communities around the world. As the conflict continues, it remains a subject of global concern and debate with different perspectives on its causes and consequences. These incidents serve as a reminder of the importance of using social media wisely, particularly in the context of sensitive and controversial topics like conflicts and terrorism. While social media provides a platform for expressing opinions and engaging in discussions, it also comes with responsibilities. It's essential to exercise caution, respect the law, and consider the potential impact of your online presence.